Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox quitting. First, let's cover some initial troubleshooting steps. Begin by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable and fast. A weak signal can often cause unexpected closures. Next, try restarting both the Roblox application and your computer. This simple action can resolve many temporary glitches. Finally, make sure your operating system and graphics drivers are completely up to date for optimal performance. Now, let's dive into solutions specific to Roblox itself. A common fix is to clear the Roblox cache files, which can become corrupted over time. You can usually find these in your app data folder. If that doesn't work, consider a complete reinstallation of Roblox. This ensures you have a fresh, uncorrupted version. Additionally, try running the Roblox player in compatibility mode, especially if you're using an older operating system, to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes, other software on your computer can cause Roblox to quit unexpectedly. Start by disabling any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming resources or conflicting with the game. Next, check your antivirus and firewall settings. They might be mistakenly blocking Roblox. Ensure Roblox is added to their exception lists. Finally, use the Roblox player's built-in feature to verify the integrity of its game files, which can repair any damaged components. If the problem persists, it's time for some more advanced troubleshooting. Monitor your system resources, like CPU and RAM usage, for any unusual spikes just before Roblox quits. This can pinpoint a resource-hungry process. Consider performing a clean boot of your operating system to isolate any software conflicts. If all else fails, don't hesitate to contact Roblox support. They can offer personalized assistance and guide you through more specific solutions for your unique situation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.